Hello, my name is Jerome and welcome to my Cabalite station. Today I have a video of my K963 front end loader crawler, and it has to do with the plate that I put on the back of it to replace the ripper. Let me zoom in. You can see back here, this plate right here, I removed the 3 teeth and put this one plate back there. This allows me, first I removed the teeth because when I would go uphill, the teeth would dig into the dirt behind me and make it difficult to go up. And since I have no need to actually rip anything, I removed the ripper teeth. But I put this plate back here so that after my excavator makes piles of dirt, I can drive this crawler over the top of the dirt, lower this down, and as I go forward, it just smooths the dirt behind me as if it were making a road. So this is my first 3D print of this plate in the back. I will print another one that's more stylish now that I know it works. And I will also release a video of it in action because I made a video a few moments ago. So this is just the latest update. Having a lot of fun printing out different things to put on my excavators and also my front end loader. And of course I put this shovel on the front of it so that I can use this as a bulldozer. And that works really well. I've already put some videos of that out online. So that's the video for today, and I will continue to release videos as I make new modifications. So if you like what you see, click like, and I will bring you more tips later.